Hi, it's Krista here from Rescue Paw Designs. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the granny shawl using my crochet pattern, which can be found on my blog, rescuepawdesigns.com. All the details are up on your screen. To begin, you're going to have to make a slip knot. After you make your slip knot, you're going to need to insert your hook into the loop and tighten. And to begin the granny shawl, you'll need to chain 3. Next, we're going to double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So right there. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You did a double crochet. We're going to do one more double crochet into that same chain. And next, we're going to chain 2. Now we're going to do 3 more double crochets into that same chain. You've now completed the first row. To start the second row, you're going to need to flip over your work or turn your work. And next, you're going to chain 3. Starting in the first stitch, you're going to double crochet 2 times. Next, you're going to chain 1. And you're going to double crochet 3 times into the chain 2 space from the row before. You're then going to chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into that same chain 2 space. Next, chain 1, and we're going to do 3 double crochets into the 3rd stitch, so right here. 1, 2, 3. To begin the next row, you're going to flip your work or turn and chain 3. Two double crochets into the first stitch, not the chain 3. Chain 1. 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1 again. 3 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Next, chain 2. 3 more double crochets into that chain 2 space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, going to chain 1 like I did earlier, and then 3 double crochets in that last stitch. To complete your shawl, you're going to keep crocheting up into each chain 1 space, and then the top chain 2 space, and then the chain 1 spaces again. And you're going to keep increasing until you have completed your shawl as shown. Don't forget to find me on social media and hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.